Welcome to the Airbus A320 cockpit. Before we start, have you ever been in an A320 cockpit before?
Never, first time.
First time, yeah. So pretty much...
777.
Oh, 777?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Where was it going to? Where
Sa Canada.
Sa Canada, yeah. Nice. Yeah, honestly, the 777 is like the most memorable plane for me.
Talaga.
Yeah, so that's what got me into all of this.
Really?
So anyhow, let's go ahead and do a couple of things first before we start our flight. By the way, we are currently in Cebu. So we are in Bravo 6, Gate Bravo 6. Nandito tayo sa Lumang Terminal. We're going to be pushing back and taking off of runway 22.
Okay.
And then we're going to be flying to Manila, or PNL. Okay? Now, let's get the aircraft set up. So, dito sa taas, we're going to do a couple of things. The overhead panel is basically where most of the systems lie. And that's where we operate in. So, a couple of things first. Can you turn this on? Press this button. Ito. That turns on our cockpit voice recorder. And can you press and hold this button until you hear a beep? Okay, good. That means the cockpit voice recorder is working. Now, we can turn on the seatbelt signs, this one. And then, we can also turn on all of these fuel pumps that says off.
Fuel pumps.
So, diba ang dami nating fuel pump? Sa Cessna, diba, you guys don't usually turn on the boost pump?
Hindi naman. Ano lang, may fuel selector valve lang.
Yeah, fuel selector valve. Parang gravity feeding lang dun. Alright, now that's set up. Now let's go ahead and work on our glare shield panel.
Glare shield? Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So you, on your other hand,
Pascals.
you turn on your flight directors on your side.
This one?
The flight director, FD. There you go. Then, we make sure
Pwede siyang gawin yung
QNH100.
Mercury.
We're in the Philippines, so it's QNH. But yeah, pwede siyang gawing Mercury. Meron siyang increment selector dito sa likod.
29.902. Ang standard, sorry, yung ba yung gagawin natin?
No, we're QNH100.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hectopascals na.
Yeah, because we're in the Philippines.
Okay. Standard yan dito sa atin. Depends.
QNH siya. Yeah, it's hectopascals in like in most countries naman.
Yeah.
I think the only ones using Mercury is Canada, North America, and Japan.
Pero sa flight school, ano siya? Mercury siya.
I've
Sa
heard,
amin, yeah.
which is weird kasi dito kasi nakasulat sa charts actually
Yeah.
hectopascals. Anyhow, okay. Pretty much everything here is set up. The flight computers are already set up for us. Now, only thing that's left for us to do is contact Mactan Ground and ask for clearance.
RPC?
We are flying today as Sputnik 1101. Okay. So I'm the co-pilot. I'm in charge of the radios. I'll go ahead and call them for you.
Yeah.
Mactan Ground, Sputnik 1104. Request push and start for runway 22.
Sputnik 1104, push and start approved, runway 22.
Push and start approved, runway 22, Sputnik 1104. So we have our clearance. Go ahead and turn on the beacon light. There you go. Beacon light is on, and now it's a matter of contacting the ground crew, letting them know that we're about to push back. So I'll give them a call.
engine? Yeah, nakuha.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Okay.
But we do have something called the APU, which I'll discuss in a little bit.
Go ahead.
Cockpit ground, confirm all doors closed and locked.
Confirm, Captain. All doors check closed and locked.
Roger, we are clear for push and start for runway 22.
Roger, Captain. Clear for push and start. Please release parking brake.
Okay.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. From the flight deck, this is your Captain Paul Jacob Enriquez speaking. Welcome aboard Sputnik Aviation flight number 1104 with non-stop service from Cebu to Manila. We expect to be taking off in around 10 minutes. Today's flight time is around 1 hour, cruising at an altitude of 34,000 feet as we expect the weather en route to be fair. For now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. For everyone's safety, keep your seatbelts on and follow the instructions of our cabin crew. We'll talk to you again soon once we start our arrival into Manila. Once again, good morning and welcome aboard.
Put your left hand on the thrust levers, right hand on the side stick. Set this here. Left hand on the thrust levers.
Lahat yan.
Yes.
Okay.
So, apply 50% first. So we slowly push it forward to 50%.
How do I know yung 50%?
Once this blue line and this green line matches with 50.
Yeah.
So the blue line represents the position.
So this is for engine 1, engine 2. Tama ba? One.
The other way, yeah. Okay. Now,
50.
just slowly push it forward. And apply toga, full power. All the way forward.
Apply full power.
Now, look
Release
outside,
brakes.
release the brakes.
Rotation speed natin is, sorry
I'll tell you when. When toga, SRS, all thrust blue. Our rotation speed is 130.
130.
I'll call it out for you. Toga, SRS, all thrust blue. Thrust set,
There's a bit of
100 knots. Now at V1, let go of the thrust levers and then rotate, start
Rotate.
pulling back.
15
Pull back,
degrees.
pull back, pull back, pull back.
15 degrees.
Little bit more. Little bit more. 15.
Yan, okay.
Sige pa, 15 ba? There you go. Alright, beautiful. Positive climb, we can raise the landing gear. Pull it back first. Yeah. Beautiful.
Maintain your run really good.
Nope.
227.
Make sure you don't pitch up too much. There you go. Sige, push down. We're losing too much speed there. Sige, push down. Yeah.
Naka-auto-trim na siya, ang saya.
Yeah.
Ganun-ganun mo lang.
So your movement should be deliberate. Smooth but deliberate.
Sputnik 104, contact lock on approach, 1247.
Passing
124.7, Sputnik 1104. Alright, at this point, we're pretty much straight. We're pretty much flying in a straight direction. So you can go ahead and turn on the autopilot over here.
Same lang yan, pero I'll be
Yeah.
pressing this one.
And then if you felt the click, yeah, there's a lot to it. Kasi when you're autopilot, you're not really meant to use it.
Kapag autopilot, you can just follow the flight director by
Yes.
itself. Pwede ka na mag-
Okay,
Autopilot na tayo.
now 10,000 feet, both landing lights, I want you to set it to retract. So push it all the way down. There you go. I'll set airport. I'll turn green on ND. Turn off radio. Verify norm. Base primary increase.
Ano yun siya yung... Anong code yan?
So that is called a waypoint.
Ah, waypoint. Okay.
Yeah, those are the waypoints that we're currently flying through. Actually, that is just a modification because when it says AB like that, that means a beam.
Ah, AB is a beam.
Yeah. So, I made a modification kanina nung in-instruct tayo to go direct the waypoint. Hindi niya didelete yung mga puputulin natin. So, it will put the beam right there. 109.3 Sputnik 1104. Now, there has been a mode change kasi we changed the target altitude as we're about to as we're about to intercept that target altitude. But before that, let's set this to standard. So pull the QNH. I'll set this to standard as well. I'll explain a little bit why. But there's been a mode degradation. Now we're climbing at vertical speed mode. We can verify it here. So this top column over here is our flight mode annunciator. Since we're climbing at VS mode, it's going to prioritize this over the airspeed. So as you can see, di ba nagda-drop tayo? Kasi the higher up we go, the less our climb performance will be. So this isn't really ideal. What we're going to do is we're going to push this. So go ahead and push that.
Parang what does it do?
So when you push it, it changed the remote to climb.
Kanina na siya.
It was at VS, so it's basically this. It's basically doing that. It's prioritizing your target vertical speed
More
instead of your airspeed.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck. This is your captain, Paul Jacob Enriquez, speaking aboard Sputnik Aviation flight number 1104. We are 15 minutes to landing as we start our descent for on-time arrival into Manila, where the weather is expected to be good. Wherever your travels may take you, we'd like to thank you for choosing Sputnik Aviation today on your flight to Manila. Again, for everyone's safety, follow the cabin signs and the instructions of the cabin crew. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the flight. We hope to see you again on board on your future flights here with us at Sputnik Aviation. Thank you. Basta sundan ko lang yung green, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sige.
Sige.
I'll fly it.
Press that red button on your stick. Then press it one more time. Press it one more time. There you go.
Center line.
50, 40,
Go flare.
20,
And chop. Chop.
Chop.
Then stop flaring. Let the aircraft sink. Beautiful. Thrust reversers. Raise this up. Maintain center line. There you go. Beautiful. Spoilers. Reverse green. Decel. Alright. So tap the brakes. And then release the brakes.
Mag-auto brake siya.
70 brakes. Push this back to 0. You tap the brakes to disconnect the auto brake because we're about to reach your exit.
4 begin via
Ito na?
Mule 2,
Yes,
ground
turn
for
left.
taxi 121.
Add a little bit more brakes. So gradual siya dapat.
Okay.
There you go. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Good job,
nice,
sir.
Nice.
Alright, now turn left. Parking check is complete. Concludes
Nice.
our very flight to Manila. Thank you so much. Alright, how was it? What do you think?
Buhay tayo. Ano lang talaga, it takes mastery lang talaga of what you do, everything is at the cockpit. But the rest is automated naman, so yeah.